us going to La Planta, let's take off.
How cool is that? We got the air preparing for launch. Beautiful little river. We are preparing for launch. But it ain't a launch if the mama ain't holding the baby. I really want to do it, and I really want to get on top of this rock because why not? Very muddy and it's very windy. My hair is going everywhere, but I'm gonna. It's getting very wet. I'm gonna still try to get on there. Very muddy. I made it though. Top of the rock. And the waterfall. Whoa. At least if I fall, I'll fall in water. Let's rinse them off. Making back to my little boy. Oh, and I got greenery under my nails. Nice. That was insane. I got so soaked.
Happy New Year's. We already ready. Start first on the drone. All the way up there. Hopefully none reaches that.